It's a great day for the chicken dance. Join me as we learn the dance and then have some fun dancing. Let's learn the steps of the chicken dance. Follow along. Step 1. Beak 4 times. Step 2. Wing flap 4 times. Step 3. Wiggle 4 times. Step 4. Clap 4 times. Step 5. Skip around yourself or a family member to the right and then to the left. Now that we've learned the steps to the chicken dance, let's practice with Maximo from Go Noodle.
Greetings, my friends. It is I, Maximo. And today I'm feeling like, how do you say? A chicken. So let's do the pollo dance. Hit it. Hey, flat, shake, flat. Oh, I love this dance. Do your best chicken impression. Bok, bok. Grab a partner or turn around in circles with yourself, like Maximo. Other way. Keep turning. Bok. Are you getting dizzy? Yes, you are. Hey, flat, shake, clap. Don't chicken out. Keep dancing. Slow it down now. Slow and steady wins the chicken race. Bok, bok, bogok. We're getting faster. Why did the chicken cross the road? To get to the other side. So you can do the chicken dance. Oh la la! It's super rapido! Ay ay ay! Was that marvelous? Yes, it was. Bok bok! But don't worry, it's still me, Maximo. I just sound exactly like a chicken. Until next time, my friends. Adios.
Subscribe to our channel RN so you're totally ITK when we post BN, GN vids.
We want to do the chicken dance with you. Let's do it one more time.
Chicken dance, dance, dance.
Thank you for doing the chicken dance with us today. We'll see you next time. Bok, bok.